It's delicious, but it's so spicy. Next question. Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 of the iOS versus Android quiz, where this time around there won't be any makeup, but we will be doing what?
We are going to be replacing makeup with this ghost pepper instant noodle that will probably make us cry, and our videographer Belle will be giving us the questions, so the fastest one will get to answer, and if we're wrong, we eat, or if we're right, the next person have to eat.
If nobody answers in 5 seconds, we
We'll
both
both have
eat.
to eat,
Yeah. So yeah, let's get started.
Nope.
Nope.
Question 1. How do you access the Android Easter egg?
You tap multiple times on Android version in settings.
Correct!
Why am I always
Enjoy! Looks delicious.
Okay.
Is it that
Next question.
The iPhone 8 and 8 Plus do not have any emoji. True or false?
True.
Correct!
You're gonna
Let's
cry.
take a tiny bite. Oh shit.
Oh, gosh.
Next.
Okay, next question. What household item in the kitchen can incorporate an Android device?
That's Samsung's fridge, smart fridge, refrigerator thingy.
Correct!
Next.
Next question. How do you screenshot an iPhone without the assistive touch?
Volume up and power button.
Correct.
You need to take a. Oh my god, that's a lot.
It's delicious, but it's so spicy.
No.
What's the name of Samsung virtual assistant?
Bixby.
This is not happening, man.
Oh shit.
What's the latest iMovie update?
3, 4, 5.
It's the green screen update.
Oh, fancy. Oh my
Oh, I'm in
god.
pain.
This one is a bit small. Name 5 iPhone models can run on iOS 12.
iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone 10, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus.
One more.
One more. iPhone 7 Plus.
Oh god.
Mommy. Why is this so tough?
Next question.
Name one app that lets you change or customize your launcher.
Android, right? Nova launcher. Oh shit.
What phone Samsung is launching on August?
Note 10! Oh. He's sweating!
iPhones that support AR Kit will let you measure things in real life using your iPhone through an app. What is the app called?
Measure! It's legit called measure! Fun, right? You can go
Oh
on.
my
Okay, go
god.
on. Okay. What is the name of the first iPhone to use Android?
HTC Dream.
Okay.
After this, one more, which is the last question, and it's gonna be this bite, okay? This much, okay?
The Android specifically made for tablet was called what?
Honeycomb.
Okay.
This is the end of our Android versus iOS quiz, and the winner this time, I'm assuming, is me. So I win round 2. Anything to say,
Give him
Yvonne?
chance!
Alright,
At
that's
least
it.
I'm not sweating, okay? You're sweating like hell.
As usual, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. To see more videos like this, do
Remember
subscribe.
to subscribe to our channel, KLGadgetTV, and we'll see you in the next one if we're not dead. Bye!